This is what happens when police aren't trained properly to know your rights. This is what happens when police are thrown out in the streets and they're directed to run everybody through the system to see if they got warrants so that they can get as many criminals off the streets as possible. Doesn't matter if they violate your rights, let the courts deal with it, right? But that's very costly and it goes against the American freedoms and the foundation that this country was built on. You guys check out this video. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure to go subscribe. Let them know I sent you. Let's get right to it.
These two pig-ass motherfuckers came up to my job and put handcuffs on me and shoved me in the back of the car because they said I got a warrant because you didn't check what you was supposed to. Did you? No, you didn't. Because you just said, no, I didn't check it. I heard you. I listened to you, bro. Yeah, you in trouble. Badge number. Name and badge number. No, I want you to say it. Name and badge number,
You can
sir.
read, right?
Name and badge. No,
You
I
can
can't
read, right?
read. No. Oh, you gonna throw it?
Hey, get out
you
of my
gonna
way.
throw it?
Get out of my
You
face.
gonna throw it?
Get out of my
Oh
face.
yeah, you tough now, huh?
Get out of my face.
Bad guy.
I gotta say that I'm extremely happy to hear that he called him a bad guy. We don't hear that often. A lot of times, bad people are given a gun and a badge. And just because they wear that uniform, that doesn't make them an automatically good person. This is that mentality that many of you have out there. A lot of police officers are out there enforcing feelings with ego, narcissism, racism, and countless other ways that make them bad police officers. So this video right here is directed to good police officers. Make sure when you get hired, you let your partners know that if they mess up, you're going to hold them accountable and you're going to put them in check. Keep watching, folks.
Bad guy. You supposed to preserve and say. Why? Tell me why you ain't go. Why you ain't go get the nigga? Why you ain't go get the nigga yesterday? But you want to come and put me in cuffs? Huh?
Bro, get out of my
Huh? Fuck you, man. Fuck y'all think this is? You gonna pick that up? Hey, I pay your fucking taxes. Pick it up.
Guess what? I paid
Pick it up.
taxes too.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up, pussy. Pick it up. Pussy ass motherfuckers. Pussies. And then you gonna throw this shit on the floor and tell me to pick it up. Fuck you, motherfucker. Pick that shit up. I'll pay your motherfucking taxes. Cracker. I'll pay your motherfucking taxes. And this dumb motherfucker, this nigga's so stupid. You got the wrong motherfucker. You got the wrong motherfucker because you didn't do your due diligence. Man, fuck you, man. Double check again. I don't give a fuck what you do. Hey, nigga, come get this shit. Come get this. Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Y'all some pussies. I need your name and badge number too, bro. I need your name and badge number too, bro. Bring your ass on, because I got work to do. Bring your ass on. I got work to do. Fuck these motherfuckers. He didn't check what he was supposed to and came up here on false tensions and put me in fucking handcuffs and in the back of his fucking car.
So you did have warrants?
I don't have no warrants.
You had warrants.
You a lying motherfucker. I told you that when you grabbed
You
me.
can call the
Man,
precinct.
fuck you.
Okay.
Fuck you. You a racist ass cracker. Give me your fucking name and badge
On the
number.
paper, he wrote it down.
No, he threw it on the ground and you picked that shit up. Fuck y'all. Y'all some, man, y'all some motherfucking punk asses. We called y'all out here for help yesterday and you come back and try to take
we
me.
took care of that.
You don't serve and protect shit.
Okay.
You ain't do shit.
Go before you get in trouble.
Take your bitch ass on. Go back to work, shit. Is it? And fuck you too. Don't ever call me up here for my.
All right, folks. So the name of this channel is called the Good Cop, Bad Cop channel. And there's a reason for that. In many of the comments that I get, I'll read, there are no good cops. Sometimes that's followed up with, if there were good cops, they wouldn't turn the other cheek when bad cops violate somebody's rights. And I gotta say, I 100% agree with that. You know, there's a friend of mine named Rob Farlow who is a correctional officer, and I did a podcast and an interview with him. And one of the things that he said was, when he got hired as a correctional officer, he immediately told everybody, if you're gonna screw up, if you're gonna do something bad, don't do it in front of me because I'll turn you in. And I'm not gonna let you make good correction officers look bad. And I gotta tell you, that was a powerful statement. I never forget that, and I think about that when I do my work. So now I want to present it to you guys, and I want to speak to all the good police officers out there right now. If you're a good cop, or you're planning to become a cop, and you want to stay good with inside yourself, you want to be honorable, you want to do right by the people, then make sure you let it be known immediately on the very first day when you work with somebody new, or even if they've been around a while. You let them know, don't screw up in front of me. Don't do bad things. Don't violate people's rights. I will turn you in. Let them know your intentions of being a good cop, even if it means getting fired. You can always start a YouTube channel and start holding them accountable that way. There have been former law enforcement that are on YouTube now with these types of channels. We got Georgia Transparency, We the People University, James Madison Audits. All these guys have spent time in law enforcement. And there's one in particular who wrote a book called Rise of the Oath Breakers, and that's Dave McCrae. He was a 23-year fish and game warden. A lot of people tell me in the comment sections as well, they'll say things like, if you want to make a difference, why don't you become a cop? Well, first and foremost, folks, you got to understand that being a cop is a welfare system. I really do like and appreciate being in the private sector. I am my own boss. There's way too much corruption going on, too much to ignore. Now, I understand the necessity of policing because there are a lot of crazy people out there doing a lot of crazy things. But in your policy, it states that you need to have a level of professionalism. We're seeing hundreds and hundreds of videos where police officers are everything but professional, courteous, passionate. Now, don't get me wrong. I know there's a lot of police officers out there trying to do good. That gets skewed sometimes along the way. It's time to stand up. If you're a good cop, stand up before you get out there in the streets. Let them know in the locker room not to screw up in front of you. And if they do it out in the streets after that, then hold them accountable right then and there. Don't let them violate people's rights. Become the bigger person, become the better cop. Thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe to the Good Cop, Bad Cop channel. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.